This video will show you how I made embroidered handkerchiefs using my Brother Se400. You can make handkerchiefs for gifts or for small business. First, we're going to set up your Brother embroidery machine. Remove the presser foot and the presser foot holder. Then we will replace the needle. Now we are going to attach the embroidery foot cue. Then attach the embroidery needle. Now we are going to remove the flatbed attachment that was used for sewing and replace it with the embroidery unit. We will also need to replace the bobbin. Now we are ready to embroider. Put the embroidery thread on the thread holder. Normally, handkerchiefs are square shaped, but my fabric, I have a lot of spare scrap fabric that are rectangle in shape. So I want to center my design based on a square shape. This is just user preference. If you prefer to center your design using the rectangle shape, it's up to you. Make sure you put a stabilizer under your fabric. There are different ways to center your design. This is how I center my design without wasting too much of the stabilizer and without compromising the design. Just make sure that there is enough fabric on the sides of the frame so that your design will not wrinkle. For this design, I am choosing a monogram letter A italics and capital A and large size. To position your design to start at the bottom, use the arrow down key. You can also press the layout key that would show you the embroidery area, just to make sure that your design is centered. And if it's not, you can make adjustments. They won't give those guys up. You know, I'm reading. Oh. You think that we would destroy space? Here are the handkerchiefs that I made. I made a lot of them. Now we are going to hem the sides. First, we're going to remove the embroidery machine attachments and replace it with the sewing machine attachments. I am choosing the basic running stitch. Make a small cut on each corner of the fabric. This will make it easy to sew the corners. Fold the sides twice and sew a running stitch. The Brother Se400 has preset designs that are installed in the sewing machine. When your embroidery unit is attached, you will be prompted to the main embroidery control screen. To access the designs, click the top left corner icon and just use the arrow keys to choose the design that you want. The machine will tell you what color thread to use and when to change the thread. For the monogram, you have a few fonts to choose from, and if you click a font, you have a choice if you want capital letter or lowercase, and different sizes from large, medium, or small. To access more embroidery designs, you can go online and find a free design, or you can purchase designs. For Brother Se400, I use designs that are PES file. Once you downloaded the design, it will show in your computer. If you cannot remember where the designs were uploaded in your computer, go to Windows search button and type in .pes. The screen will show you where the file is located. Then click on that file. Before we plug the USB cord, make sure that the embroidery machine is off. Then plug the Type B cable to the embroidery machine. Then plug the other end, the USB cable, to your laptop. Your laptop should already be powered on. Turn on your embroidery machine. Click this icon. You will see in your screen the sewing machine drive is in drive D, or it could be in a different drive depending on your computer. Now you want to copy the design that you want to work on from your computer to your sewing machine drive. So now when you look at the drive D, you will see the file in there. So now when you look at the screen on your embroidery machine, you can see that the design that you wanted is already uploaded to the sewing machine. Once you have saved the design, it will be included in the sewing machine memory. This is my plastic film sealer. It will enable me to wrap each handkerchief individually. This is very easy to use. You do not have to wait for it to warm up. You just set it. I have mine on the number 6 setting, and then press and hold just for a couple seconds, or a little bit longer if you have a thicker plastic. And there you have it. Check out the video description, the links of all the equipments and materials I used in this video. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.